nandito na ako sa RD Cycles. Tingnan natin kung ano yung madedemo natin na bike. Pinaiwan ko yung bike ko dito. Anong ano to? Anong pangalan? Extra rice. At saka pa napadagdag ng gravy. Okay. Libot muna around BGC. Testingin ko lang to bago umuwi. Okay, kumusta mga kapadyak? Nandito ako ngayon sa Fill Invest pero I'm off the trails right now. Puro ko road muna. Gamit ko ngayon ng GT Elite. Today, we're gonna have a bike check and review. After riding mountain bikes for the longest time, I was able to take home a GTR. Not that GTR, this GTR. RD Cycles is the distributor of GT and Lapierre bikes in the country, and I was fortunate enough to try one of the new road bikes, the GTR Elite. Binuhay uli ng GT yung tinatawag na GTS models, kaya may similarities ito dito, and at the same time, nilagyan ng mga tweaks na both surprising at innovative. After the last release of the GTS back in 2016, binalik nila to this year at pinangalanan na GTR. Ito na yun. Iniwan ko muna yung bike ko sa shop as usual. This time, enjoyin ko muna to. Let's start with the frame. Maganda yung combination ng black color na may blue accents. May konting orange tsaka yellow na rin para sa extra design. The aggressive pointy letter R is on the top tube, just behind the cockpit. Nakadagdag sa style points ng bike para sa akin. Size 50 ito at saktong-sakto sa height ko. Yun lang mataas yung seat tube nito para sa akin kahit small yung size. Kaya binabaan ko na lang yung seat post. No issues naman as long as hindi naman nasasagad yung seat post. The head tube is tapered with an angle of 72 degrees. Nandiyan pa din yung signature triple triangle design by GT na nakakadagdag sa stiffness at nakaka-reduce ng vibrations. What's special about this frame are the seat stays. Yari naman to sa composite ng dalawang materials. Glass fiber yung loob tapos coated naman ng carbon. The core is to make it more rigid and the outer layer is for added vibration damping, something that some of the GT road bikes have. Kaya mas manipis ito, ma-flex pag hinahawakan pero matibay pa din. GT calls this technology dual fiber dynamics. Medyo malapad din yung clearance nito to accommodate for thicker tires. Pagdating sa fork, carbon fiber na to pati yung steerer tube, kaya dagdagaan na din. Para sa akin, ang pinaka-benefit ng carbon composite material sa frame is vibration damping. Malaking bagay ito sa road bikes to reduce fatigue. Yung axle naman ito, bolted na 12mm. Okay, let's check out the drivetrain. Shifters are Shimano 105, while the rear and front derailleurs are also 105 with 11 to 32 teeth cassette. Precise ang shifting nito lalo na pag yung biglang lipat para bumilis. Sayang hindi ko na-maximize sa mga matatarik na akyatan. Hopefully next time. Crankset is FSA Tempo. Naka 50 to 34 teeth with seal bearing na bottom bracket. Brake levers are Shimano 105, pero yung preno nito ay cable actuated hydraulic disc brakes from TRP. Meron na rin 160mm rotors. The brand may be uncommon compared to Shimano and SRAM, but when it comes to power and precision, maasahan to given its more than 20-year experience in the industry. TRP is based in Utah and specializes in the production of quality brakes made out of carbon fiber, titanium, and TT6 aluminum. Kaya trusted to. Hubs are both Formula RX 512. Rims are axle lang tatak, na tubeless ready na din. Ang nakaka-surprise sa bike na to yung mga gulong. Straight from the box naka-Vittoria na 28C. Usually built bikes nasa 23 or 25C lang. Pero ito mas makapal. Ang kinaganda pa dito, mas confident ka dahil sa extra thickness, but it is still incredibly fast. Yung spokes naman ay stock na stainless steel. When it comes to the cockpit, it is straight up GT. The stem is quite longer for what I am used to, pero nakakompensate yung 7-degree rise nito. Seat post and saddle are also from GT, but the seat clamp is Altera. Medyo sketchy pa ako sa C5 paglabas, pero before I know it, nararide ko na. Lumibot pa ako sa Chendesitas at inikot pa ang BGC para mas masanay. For the following days, ginamit ko na sa mga long commutes, usually Parañaque to Cainta Rizal, and also around Philinvest. Para sa akin, this will pass as an all-around bike. Konting sampa lang, ang bilis ko na nakuha yung confidence. Nakatulong na din yung 28C tire sa proper sizing. Ideal to for commuting, casual rides, and long rides with lighter loads. I am currently looking for a road bike and this kind of sizing best fits my needs. My speed, comfort, and lightweight pa. The GTR Elite has an SRP of 73,000 pesos. So that's my bike check and review of the GTR Elite. If you're looking for this model, feel free to contact RD Cycles. Ililink ko yung contact details sa description. If you're on a budget and still wants the GTR, you can check out the Comp and Sport series na lower ang specs at price. I hope na nabigay ko lahat ng important information tungkol sa bike na to at sana nakatulong sa inyo. There will be more bike checks and reviews, so don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button to be notified. For those who wants a GT bike, comment nyo na lang kung anong model ang gusto nyo para ma-share na rin sa mga kapadyak na nagbabala kumuha ng bagong bike. That's it for today. Ride safe.